Hi guys, this is Peugeot 307SW from 2005, and today I'm going to show you how to fix this window control panel that doesn't function fully. So I'll show you what's the problem with my panel, and then I'll show you how to fix it. So if you take a look here, if I press the driver door to go down, it goes down, that's fine, but if I pull it to go up, it goes down. And same again. So the only way for me to close the window is to go completely down, and then even if I pull this one step up, it doesn't want to go up, so I need to pull it further to the second step, and then it closes. So the first step of closing the window for the driver's door doesn't work. And let's fix it. We take Torx T20 screwdriver and we remove the screw. Now to get the panel out, you use flat screwdriver and you put it here and gently lift this part. Now and then you take out the panel. Now there are two electrical connections. To remove them, you pull up this pad and then you remove the first one. It's almost there. There it is. And then you do the same with the other one. Pull it up. Let me try to show you that the best. I'm not sure if I can show it to you, but I guess you get the point. Okay, so you pull up a pad because you want to get over this part here. And these pads look like that. Okay, and you have three interfaces on each side here that keeps this part in place, and therefore the best thing is to lift this part first and then get to the first one, try to lift this, then this, and from the other side. Then take the whole assembly out. Okay, so that's your panel. What we want to do is we want to remove this part here. And to do that, first of all, we need to remove this button here. So we put the flat screwdriver there, and we do it gentlier than I did. It worked, nothing is broken, but you want to pay more attention to it. This is how it looks like. And then there's your interface for the button there. Okay, now when the button is out, we need to push it with your thumb and then pull it up. So that goes a bit off. Yes. Then same with the last one. And same exercise on the other side. and then we have this part removed. Okay, it might not be even necessary to separate these two parts. What we need to do is to remove the bottom one here. So we take flat screwdriver and we just pull each and every one of this out of its place. Well, that might take a while, I see. Okay, so what I decided to do is to use small metal plates just to squeeze them inside like that, and then I will do that all over, and hopefully this is going to help me. I am terrible at this small stuff, so I didn't fit it here, but I managed to fit it there, and hopefully that's going to be enough. Okay, so I got one part out. Please do not go back in. And then let's work on the second part. Okay, so far so good. Okay, well, we are getting there. Don't come back. Oh, there's one here. Great. Yes, very good. It's not broken. It was not a sign or a noise of me breaking it. Yes! Oh, great. Spent hours doing that. Ah, that's not true. Okay, so we have that open. Now we reveal this, and then what we can do is you can check the shape of this small black parts, which basically their job is to connect, let me show you, connect what? Their job is to connect this to lines. So basically when this part touches that part, it connects it, and then it closes the circuit, and the window acts accordingly. So what I can see here, for example, is that there is some strange grease here, and then if we compare it where it is, it shouldn't affect the part that we are trying to fix, but I will clean it either way. If I now put this away for a moment and look at this, my problem is this one, which is located here, because if you reveal this, you see this is what happens. So what I will now try to do is to clean these parts here. There is some dirt on it, but not much. I will still clean it, and I will also clean, if we put it here and like that, I will clean this parts here and there. I see that this has some dirt on it, might be the problem. and then we see how it works and whether it's okay. I use the fiber cloth or something that I have with high gradation, since I don't have anything else. And then you have to be really gentle with it because it's quite hard for the surface. Okay, so once this is cleaned, we need to put it back together. You cannot insert that incorrectly. There are special grooves that you need to match. And then this, well, you have an idea how it should be. And then there are pins here that match these holes there. So what you can actually do is you can put it here and then put this back in place like that. And now we can close it and hopefully, yes, you just need to clip it in, and then if we see, it seemed to be working fine. And then a bit of cleaning has never done anybody any harm, as long as it's not water and electricity. Okay, so now it is time to assemble these two parts, and as previously, you click it in place. Okay, everything seems on its place. We also need this part as well, so we fit it in and click it in place. Okay, it seems to work fine. Let's install it back on the car. Now the one that has less cables go on the back. Press it in place. The one with more cables go on the front. And now start from the front. Nice. Okay, so now let's see if it worked. Well, it's same. Aha! And it works, so let's now do it all the way down, all the way up, stop it a bit up, a bit down, and all the way up. That works perfect. Everything works fine. We can see if the mirror works. Yes, it does. Looks like we did it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did, and if you'd like to see more Peugeot 307 mechanics, check my channel out. I've got plenty of videos about this car, and good luck with your Peugeot.